Meaning of desktop publishing.
Desktop publishing.
Desktop publishing.
Desktop publishing.
Desktop publishing. Desktop publishing refers to the creation and design of printed materials using a computer. The result is high-quality, professional-looking documents that are created using software specifically designed for this purpose. These documents can include anything from business cards and brochures to newsletters and magazines. Desktop publishing allows for precise control over layout, typography, and graphics, making it an essential tool for businesses and individuals who want to produce polished, visually appealing materials for their audience.